Today we are starting chapter 17, idea of speed, distance and time. So what do you mean by speed? Simply, speed of a body is the distance covered by the body in unit time. Okay, so speed equals to what? Distance upon time. Speed equals to distance upon time. Okay, so when you are having value of speed and when you are having distance and time, you can calculate speed, but you can use this formula when distance is known to you and time is also. Okay, then when you are having value of speed and time, then distance you want to calculate. Okay, so for that you will write distance equals to speed into time. Okay, then what when you are having speed and distance and time, this three you are having here, speed equals to distance upon time. When distance is given to you and time is given to you, then you can calculate speed. When speed is given to you and time is given to you, then you can calculate distance. Okay, so like this you have to use formula. And when you want to calculate time, simply, so time equals to what? Distance upon speed. So the only change is what? About values. If you are having distance and time, values of distance and time in a question, then you can use this formula. If you are having value of speed and time, then just change the formula. Then if you are having distance and speed, then you have to find time, so use this formula. Okay, so the one formula only you are having, the one formula only, and that is speed equals to distance upon time. Okay, now how we can convert the units simply. So the first thing is what? Speed is measured in kilometer per hour or meter per second. Okay, so simply speed will be like either in kilometer per hour or meter per second. Okay, as you know, kilometer is a unit for distance and hour is unit for time. Similarly, meter is unit for distance and second is unit for time. So the unit of speed is kilometer per hour or meter per second. Okay, so when you are having distance in kilometer, that means time should be in hour, and when you are having distance in meter, that means time should be in seconds. Okay, so just remember this topics. And next I will explain you by solving some examples. For example, a boy covers distance of 1.2 kilometer. A boy covers distance of 1.2 kilometer. Okay, in 40 minutes. So find speed. As I explained to you now, that if you are having distance in kilometer, that means you should have time in hour, but in this case you are having time in minutes, so you have to change this time, you have to change this minute, you have to convert this minute into hour. Okay, as you know, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and you are converting 40 minutes to hour. So simply, whenever you are converting from minute to hour, you are supposed to divide that quantity by 60. Okay, so this 40 minutes time will be equals to 40 by 60. 0 0 get cancelled, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So we got here time 2 by 3 hour. Okay, now you can use formula speed equals to distance upon time. So your distance is 1.2 and your time is 2 by 3. Now how we can solve this? So first thing is what, this 3 will go to the numerator. So 1.2 into 3 whole upon 2. Okay, now you are having here 1.2 and you can write this 1.2 as a 12 upon 10 into 3 upon 2. Okay, and if you you know very well how to convert this. Simply this is a decimal, and from decimal you have converted this 1.2 into fraction. So 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. Okay, then 2 3 ja 2 5 ja. So finally 3 3 ja 9, 9 by 5 kilometer per hour. This is your required answer. Okay, so next topic is uniform speed and variable speed. Uniform speed and variable speed. If a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then speed is said to be uniform. Otherwise the speed is variable. Okay, for example, you're having a car and that car covers 60 kilometer in 1 hour. Okay, then again 60 kilometer in next 1 hour. Okay, then again 60 kilometer in next 1 hour. As you can see, in 1 hour that car covers 60 kilometer, then again in 1 hour covers 60 kilometer, then again in 1 hour covers 60 kilometer. So the distance that car is covering is same in the same interval of time. Okay, then this car is said to be having uniform speed. But what about variable? In variable means what? Let's suppose in 1 hour that car covers 80 kilometer, then in next 1 hour it covers 60 kilometer. Okay, then in next 1 hour it covers 50 kilometer. So as you can see, the distance is not same. The time is same taken by that car is 1 hour, but the distance are different. In first 1 hour he is covering 80 kilometer, then after that in next 1 hour is covering 60 kilometer, then it is covering 50 kilometer. So distance is not same, so the speed is said to be variable. Okay, so this is the introduction of this chapter number 17.